Welcome to today's Business and Beyond. I'm Wayne Stofsky. The business of manufacturing, regardless of the product, is in a constant state of evolution. Managing this evolution can either make or break a small manufacturer. Rising material costs, customers demanding flexibility, and reduced lead times are the biggest challenges. Joining us today is Greg Morris, spokesperson for the Manufacturing Action Group Incorporated, or MAGI. The firm is introducing a new software package developed, implemented, and supported by veterans in the manufacturing industry, which will help business owners manage these issues. Greg, welcome to our program. Can you tell us a little bit about this new software?
WinMagi is a scalable architecture, and by that we mean that you can run between 1 and 200 workstations, or even more workstations. WinMagi comes with a base system, and that base system includes 5 concurrent users, and that base system also, you can buy the manufacturing modules or you can buy the financial modules. You can buy them both. You can buy them as a package. You can implement any module that you want in any sequence that you want.
You mentioned that WinMagi can be configured for a variety of industries. What does WinMagi allow you to customize?
WinMagi allows you to customize anywhere from a basic report to screens. You can change processes.
And why is flexibility like this so important?
The first thing that anybody wants to do with their software is, how do I change it to fit my business? We don't want to change the business process to fit the software. We want to change the software to fit the business.
Thank you, Greg. Next, we'd like to welcome the Director of Operations for MAGI, Chuck Norton. Chuck, welcome. We hear about a lot of these ERP software programs that require a degree in rocket science to operate. What sets WinMagi apart from other ERP software?
What executives need to know about WinMagi is that we can install the system so that they can have it so it's something that they can use themselves to get control over what's happening out in their factory or in their offices. It can be done quickly, it can be done easily, and it can be done at a reasonable cost, because we in MAGI have done this before, and we can go out on the floor and do exactly what you're wanting us to do and bring it up, and you can be in charge of your own destiny, basically, out on the shop floor. You know what's happening.
I'm sure in your field you've heard the horror stories of a facility using a standalone process that actually ended up contributing to the overall problem of trying to manage what's happening on the production floor.
That's correct. Most small standalone systems, such as Joe's spreadsheet or Mary's filing cabinet or Alice's memory or some whiteboard out in the factory, usually do contribute to the problem as opposed to the solution. What is needed is an integrated ERP system like WinMagi that allows you to get the right information at the right time.
Thank you, Chuck. We're going to talk now to a WinMagi user, Philip Marshallsay, owner of Alphi Manufacturing out of South Michigan. Welcome to the show, Philip. What made you decide to go with WinMagi?
When we made a decision to purchase WinMagi, we were looking for a low-cost system that offered all the functionality of a larger ERP system, but was scalable to a business of our size. We wanted all those features of a larger system, but something that was easy to train and implement.
What were you looking for?
We were looking for a system that we could get day-to-day control of our inventory and real-time information about our performance as a business, what we were shipping to the customer, what had gone out the door each day. So we needed an ERP system, but we didn't want to put something in that required proprietary programming and extensive maintenance and support. So we were looking for a package system, but that's something that offered all the functionality of a larger ERP system.
Well, gentlemen, we thank you all for being on the program and wish you continued success. If you'd like more information on WinMagi software, you can visit the Magi website at www.magimfg.com. That's all for this edition of Business and Beyond. Thanks for joining us. I'm Wayne Stofsky.